Hey, I'm thinking about starting my own business. Do you have any commercial vehicles that can help me out with that?
You know, that is a very, very common question that we get a lot here. And actually, that's good. That's the complete American dream, is start your own business. So with that in mind, we do have vehicles that will suit those needs for the people that are looking for something like this 2017 Transit F-150 behind me. Now, even though it's a 150, this has still got the economy of a 3.7 V6 engine. The truck is fully cargo van, you know, so you got room for 2 passengers here. If you want to take a look, you still got some creature comforts. You've got your cup holders, more storage down here. There's actually a partition separating the back from the front drivers. You've got a safety box here. You also, if you can zoom in here, you've got some auxiliary switches here, and those are good for any kind of accessories that you want to add. You can just wire them in. Ford's already thought about all that for the commercial vehicles. What I like about this, we went ahead and put a new set of tires on it that are load rated especially for these cargo vans. So you can feel assured that you're ready to go with a vehicle like this. Now this one here has only got 147,000 miles, which is nothing for some of these commercial vehicles. Now this one came already outfitted with some shelves, which if you can look at the system, you can change those up because you've got the sliding racks where you can adjust it if you need them, if you don't need them, or if you want to set something else in play, then you can do that. Now there is also some power outlets that the previous owner, I guess, had put in there. There's plenty of room in here. These doors slide nice and easy. You've got your step to get up into. The back here, you've got your rear camera. So even if you've got somebody that's not used to driving an enclosed vehicle like this, it makes it so easy because in the rearview mirror, you can look straight back and utilize that camera. These doors open up like this. You've got plenty of access to get into your storage area. This particular setup, I guess, was set up for packages that would slide down, but obviously you can use it for whatever you like. The good thing is it comes in the classic white, so if you wanted to do your own wording on the side, you can. If you wanted to take it and get it wrapped, you can. But again, this is something that we offer here at Edom Auto Sales. We've got regular vehicles, commercial vehicles, we've got trucks, SUVs. I mean, whatever you need, name it, we can get it for you. This right here is probably one of the more sought after vans because of the fact that it's a half ton. Come down and see us, test drive our 2017 Transit 150. You can see us at 1025 North Main Street here in Fort Worth, between the stockyards and downtown. And you can also visit our website, edomautosales.com. We've got Carfax and extended warranties available. Come down and see us.